The Maharashtra government and Anil Deshmukh, who stepped down from the post of the state's Home Minister today, have decided to approach the Supreme Court to seek cancellation of the CBI probe against him in a corruption case. The Bombay High Court has ordered a preliminary CBI investigation against him regarding the allegations made by former Mumbai Police Chief Parambir Singh. It had given the central agency 15 days for preliminary report. Within hours, Anil Deshmukh had resigned, citing moral grounds. Now, Parambir Singh, who was replaced as the Mumbai police chief last month, approached the Bombay High Court after a Supreme Court order. In his petition, he alleged that he was removed from his post because of his complaints against Mr. Deshmukh to Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray. In his petition, Parambir Singh had said that his claims were hard facts coming from the person who occupied the highest post in the police force in the city and from someone who has served for more than 30 years. Veteran NCP leader Dilip Walse Patil is widely tipped to take over as Maharashtra's new Home Minister after the resignation of Anil Deshmukh. Dilip Walse Patil, a seven-time MLA, began his political career as a personal assistant to Nationalist Congress Party Chief Sharad Pawar. The MLA from Ambegaon is currently the State Minister for Excise and Labour. His father, Dattatreya Walse Patil, a former Congress MLA, was also close to Sharad Pawar. Patil won his first election as a Congress candidate from Ambegaon in 1990. In 1999, he followed Sharad Pawar out of the Congress party and joined the NCP. Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee on Monday criticized the Election Commission, questioning the poll body's decision to hold elections in 8 phases in West Bengal amid rising COVID-19 cases in India. They cut short the polling phases in Assam and Tamil Nadu, but why so many phases of polling in West Bengal? They may conspire and call off the election midway, citing COVID-19, but I will not allow them to do so. Election must be completed in West Bengal, she said. The Chief Minister was speaking at a public meeting at Chinsura in Hooghly district. So many Jawans were killed by the Maoists in Chhattisgarh, but unfortunately, our Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Home Minister Amit Shah are busy in dangabazi to divide West Bengal, she said. At least 40 active fires are currently ravaging the forest of Uttarakhand. As per the state government, the fire has affected forest across the Garhwal and Kumaon region, with Nainital, Almora, Tehri and Pauri districts being the worst hit. According to the reports, the fire has so far destroyed property worth Rs 37 lakh and claimed the lives of at least 7 animals. Chief Minister Tirath Singh Rawat on Sunday held a high-level emergency meeting to discuss the ways to control the fire as soon as possible. He also requested the centre to send help. As per the Chief Minister's request, the Union Home Ministry dispatched 2 Indian Air Force helicopters that have been deployed in the firefighting operations. Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal on Monday requested Prime Minister Narendra Modi to expand the ongoing vaccination drive by allowing schools and community centers to be used as vaccination sites apart from the existing healthcare facilities. In a letter to Prime Minister, Kejriwal also requested that the vaccine should be made available to people across age groups except those who are medically barred from getting the shots. Doing so would ensure that all of Delhi gets vaccinated within 3 months, Kejriwal said. This is the second time in a week that Kejriwal has advocated the need to relax the restrictions. Hello everyone. HW News English is 2 years old now. When we started this venture, we promised ourselves one thing, that news should remain free, because right to know is the right of every Indian. But to keep news free for everyone, we need support from some of you. And thus we have rolled out membership on our YouTube channel HW News English. But mind you, the membership is completely voluntary. The programs that we were doing earlier, that we are doing now, will continue to remain free. First level is a basic level. Here you can be our supporter by paying Rs 199 per month. This membership gives you certain perks and benefits. The perks include unique badges in front of your name, a live show from Mr. Sujit Nair and from Mr. Akhilesh Bhargava per month for our members. You can also vote in some exclusive members-only polls. Now the second level is Super Supporter. Here you can be our Super Supporter by paying Rs 3,999 per month. This membership will include every perk that comes with basic level. Additionally, Our super supporters can be a part of a WhatsApp group where we can have discussions and suggestions on various topics. The second perk includes a gift pack with our merchandise. And the third perk is a Google Meet with Mr. Sujit Nair, where you can join the meet and ask your questions to Mr. Nair face to face. Lastly, if you like, we would give a shout out to our super supporters in our programs. So, hope to see you soon with our badges.